So okay, so for 0 0 0 output is 0. Now for 0 0 1, that is we have to make input C high. Input C high. Okay, we have to make input C high. So see the logic diagram here. C input C means it is a pin number 5 of 7432. Okay, see the input C is means it is pin number 5. So we have to open the wire which is connected to pin number 5. The wire which is connected to pin number 5, here this is pin number 5, and I am disconnecting this wire from ground line, so it becomes high. Okay, see here, this wire is connected to pin number 5 and it is made open. So 0 0 1, so for 0 0 1 condition the output is again low because LED is off. Okay, so this step is also verified. So for 0 0 1 the output is again 0. Okay, then 0 1 0, the B input should be high. Okay, so first connect this wire to the ground line and make a B input high. So what is B? B means pin number 2. B means pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, B means pin number 2 and it should be disconnected. It should be disconnected. Okay, pin number 2. Okay, see here, this is a pin number 2. So I am disconnecting this wire. That is the black wire. It is connected to pin number 2 and it is made open. So 0 1 0, for this condition again the output is 0. Okay, see here the output is 0 because LED is off. Okay, for 0 1 0 output is 0. Okay, then for 0 1 1, that is input B and input C should be high. Input B and input C should be high. That is pin number 2 and pin number 5 should be open. Pin number 2 and pin number 5. Okay, so pin number 2 is already open and pin number 5, this is pin number 5, it should be again it should be open. So the input becomes 0 1 1. So for 0 1 1, for 0 1 1 the output should be 1. The output should be 1. Okay, see here output is 1. For 0 1 1 the output is 1. Okay, for 0 1 1 output is Y, output Y is high, output Y is high or 1. See here 0 1 1, pin number 1 is connected to ground, so A is 0 because it is connected to ground, and B and C are these wires are open, so these are in high state. So 0 1 1 the output is high. Okay, then 1 0 0, see here for 1 0 0 condition the output should be high, 1. Okay, 1 0 0 means the input A should be high. The input A should be high. So the input A means, see here, this is the logic diagram. The input A means pin number 1. Pin number 1. It should be high. See here, this yellow wire is connected to ground, so it should be open. Okay, it should be open. And 1 0 0, B and C should be 0. That is pin number 2 and pin number 5 should be connected to ground. Okay, pin number 2 and pin number 5. So this black wire, it should be connected to ground. Okay, and pin number 5, it should be connected to ground. Okay, so the inputs are 1 0 0. Pin number 1 means A, so it is open, so it is high, so 1 0 0. For 1 0 0 output is 1. Then for 1 0 1, for 1 0 1 means the input B should be connected to ground. The input B should be connected to ground. So input B means pin number 2. Input B means pin number 2. It should be connected to ground for 1 0 1. Input 2. Input B, that is pin number 2. Pin number 2, it should be connected to ground. It is already connected to ground. And pin numbers 1 and pin number 5 should be open. Pin number 1 and pin number 5 should be open. Then at this condition, again the output is high. Okay, see here the output is high. Okay, so in this way the truth table is verified, can be verified. Okay, the truth table can be verified. Okay, now see the another logic diagram. This is the logic diagram of the simplified equation y is equal to a plus b into c. Okay, y is equal to a plus b into c. So first we have to disconnect these wires from breadboard. We have to disconnect these wires except pin number 7 and pin number 14. Disconnect all these wires. And make the connections as per this logic diagram. Make the connections as per this logic diagram. So first connect IC 7408 and then IC 7432. Okay, so disconnect all these. Disconnect all these wires. First connect IC 7408. See here, I am connecting for 7408 here. See here, first connect IC 7408 and then connect IC 7432. The U side of the IC, U side should be at the left side. The U sign should be at the left side. Here this is a U sign, it should be at left side. Okay, first IC is IC 7408 and second IC is IC 7432. Okay, make connections. Pin number 7 to the ground line. Pin number 7 to the ground line and pin number 14 to the plus VCC. Okay, again For this IC also, pin number 7, connect pin number 7 to the ground line. Okay, and pin number 14 to plus VCC. Okay, first connect a DC power supply, positive and negative terminals to these corresponding pins. Pin number 7, connect negative to the pin number 7 and connect positive to the pin number 14. Okay, then connect inputs. The pin number 1 of 7432 as input A, pin number 1 of 7432 as input A, pin number 1, see here, this is pin number 1 of 7432, it is input A. Okay, then pin number 1 of 7408 as input B, pin number 1 of 7408 as input B. Okay, and pin number 2 as input C, pin number 2 it is input C. Okay, this is input B, this is B, this is C, and this is A. Okay, then connect pin number 3 of 7408 to pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, pin number 3 of 7408 to pin number 2 of 7432, 3 to 2. Okay, 3 to 2. See here, this is pin number 3, this is pin number 3, and I am connecting this pin number 3 to pin number 2 of 7432, pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, pin number 2 of 7432, that is we have to connect pin number 3 of 7408, pin number 3 of 7408 to pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, see here, pin number 3 and pin number 2 are connected together. Okay, then connect output at pin number 3 of 7432. That is we have to connect 330 ohm resistor to pin number 3 of 7432. See here, okay, so this is a pin number 3, this is pin number 3, 330 ohm, one end of 330 ohm resistor is connected to pin number 3 of 7432 IC, and its other terminal, to the other terminal we have to connect LED, anode of LED, connect anode of LED to the other end of 330 ohm resistor, and connect cathode to the ground, connect cathode to the ground line. Okay, so in this way connections are made. Okay, see here again, for 111, that is when inputs are 111, here pin number 1 of 7432, pin number 1, it is input A. See here, this is input A. Then pin number 1 of 7408, it is input B, and pin number 2, it is input C. So these are the three inputs. So here in this condition the inputs are 1 1 1. So for 1 1 1 inputs the output should be 1. See here, for 1 1 1 the output is 1. Okay, then I am connecting these inputs to ground, then the input should be 0, output should be 0. See here, these three inputs are connected to the ground line, so LED is off, means the output is low. So for 0 0 0 the output is 0. Okay, now I am connecting here this step. Okay, that is for 1 0 0, that is the input A should be high. The input A means pin number 1 of 7432. So if this input is high, then output becomes high, the output Y becomes high. Okay, so when A input is high, then output is also high. Okay, so I am disconnecting pin number 1, wire connected to pin number 1 of 7432. I am disconnecting this wire from ground line. See here, that is when inputs are 1 0 0 the output is high. See here, when inputs are 1 0 0 then output is high, Okay, so here the inputs are 1 0 0, then output becomes high. In this way the truth all these steps can be verified. In this way all these steps can be verified of truth table, and we can check the output, or we can verify the output as per this truth table. We can verify the truth table. Okay, so we will stop here.